Okay, we've been looking at the bass and the tone, and then we've looked at a simple practice pattern where we start to practice the bass and the tone together, moving from the middle up to the side there. What I'd like to do now is share with you one of my real favorite classic djembe groove patterns. And I'm going to play it now. This is one of my absolute favorites. Let me play it again. I'll play it a little bit slower. Okay. I call this rhythm, I call it boom jagga boom jagga boom jagga boom jagga boom jagga boom jagga boom. It creates a sort of cruisy, choo-choo train kind of rhythm that gives other grooves a bit of momentum, and it's really effective. Let's say when I've been in there, taught some children in a class, very often what I'll do is I'll create a dialogue rhythm. Well, I'll have one half of the group might play something and then the other half will answer them back. And if you just have those two rhythms, that side play, that side play, that side play, without something else to add to it, it can feel a little bit empty. So a rhythm like this sort of fills in all those gaps and just gives it a sort of a funky factor, okay? And what really you start to hear coming out is the baba 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 baba. Okay, so I'll break it down a little bit so we can understand what I'm doing. Now, the first thing is that with a rhythm like this, it's quite important is just to appreciate where that pulse is. So replay this video so you start to hear it. And what we're going to do, I'm going to start with the beat on the drum, which is going to fit with the jingle with my knee. So it's going to actually be the bass with this. Just like that. So imagine it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the tones on the side are going and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Okay, now I've got to really slow it down, because also what's really important for me, particularly quite a lot of these djembe patterns, is to use some coordination where it is really quite consistent and quite simple. And for a rhythm like this, because it's in threes, I wouldn't do it completely alternate, so it's all left and right and left, for this reason. So if I have to sort of play this rhythm and it's all left and right, you'll find that you'll have to swap your hands over on the bass. Now, if you want to really get some equality in your hands, maybe that's a good thing to learn, but really you often don't see that being applied in djembe patterns. Very often they like to have a consistent sound, and you can slightly, very subtly hear a difference in the sound between your two hands. So for something like this, you would have a driving hand, which would be always playing that bass sound. And in order to do that, I tend to start with my right there on the bass and use the same hand again to come back to the tone. Okay, now, yes, you could play it maybe like this. Now that time, what I'm doing is my right hand's coming down on the bass, but I'm then making the next tone with my left. Now, reason why I prefer not to do it that way is just because it forces you to have to do this with your right hand. Now, I have to very quite quickly move from there to there. it's not so easy. It's much easier to be able to get a movement which is going from the bass to the tone here, which is why when I'm doing this rhythm, I would start with the right and use the right again to do the tone. As opposed to, okay, so let's get it right again. Right, right, left, 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 right. Okay, I'll do it again, slow. Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right. And you might even be a good idea to practice this just on your knees here, taking away the bass and the tone, so we just really get really steady and confident with that coordination. Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right. If you're really left-handed, you can completely switch it over so that your driving hand is the left. Left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. It's just being consistent with either or. Right, left, right, right, left. As you start to get really confident, just with that coordination, then you can go back to the drum again. Have a go just doing it tones. And then let's have a go at bringing that bass in. Right, right, right. And really keep it slow. Chaka boom, chaka boom, chaka boom. Right, left, right, 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 left, right, right, left, right. And when you get to the stage where it's going to start feeling instinctive, pick up a little bit of speed. Take it out to groups and sessions, jamming sessions. Try and play it so it fits with the rhythms that you can hear around you. Obviously finding the pulse in the music. Practice it against records that you play or audio tracks. Then you can start to put a little bit of swing.